Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to customize and add your own designs using this mug mockup in Photoshop. You will need Photoshop to run these files. Now, let's begin. Once you've downloaded the files, open your file in Photoshop. If your timeline window is not visible, let's set that up first. Under Window, scroll down and find Timeline. Look to your Layers window and double-click the box where it says Your Design here. A secondary file will pop up. Again, double-click the box that says Click here to insert design. A third file will pop up. This is where we'll be placing our custom designs. Take notice where the indicated borders and design placement guides are. Now, go to File, Place Link, navigate to your folder and select the image that you would like to use for the front of your mug. Click Place. Move and scale your custom image in the center of the blue mark. If you would like to maintain the proportions of your image, hold down Shift and Control while scaling. When you're happy with it, click Enter on your keyboard to finalize the position. Let's repeat the same process for the back image, but this time we'll be placing it in the center of the green mark. Remember to click Enter on your keyboard to finalize the position. Once you're happy with your placements, make sure to hide the placeholders layer. Click X on the window to close. A prompt will appear asking if you would like to save. Click Yes. Click X again on the next window to close. Click Yes again in the next prompt. And you should now be able to see the designs on the mug. We can further customize the mockup by changing the background color. To do this, scroll down to find the background layer. Click the arrow to expand the folder. Double-click the color box that says Background Color Picker and select any color that you'd like. Click OK. Now for previewing your mockup. There are two ways to do this. If you have a fast computer, you can click Play, or by grabbing the scrubber and moving it manually to the right. If it's running a bit slow during your preview, don't worry. That's normal. It will be at a normal speed once it's rendered. This is a good time to check if you're happy with your placements and make adjustments now if needed. Just go back a few steps if you'd like to make any more changes. I'm quite happy with how everything is looking. I'll now be showing you how to crop. Please do skip this step if you don't intend to crop your mockup. Select the crop icon. Go to the settings and select the ratio that you'd like to use. I'll be using square. Click Enter on your keyboard to crop. It's finally time to export your mockups. There are two ways to do this. You can either export a single image or a 360 video turntable of your mockup. To export a single image, go to File, Export. You can either select Quick Export as PNG, or if you'd like to save it as a different format, click Export As. Under File Settings, Format, select the format that you would like to use. I'll be leaving it as PNG. Go ahead and click Export, and a prompt will show up asking where you'd like to save, and make sure you give it a proper file name. For the purposes of this video, I'll be clicking Cancel. To export a 360 video turntable of your mockup, go to File, Export, Render Video. Pause the video here if you'd like to use the same settings that I use. Make sure you name your file and select the folder. Hit Render. The render time shouldn't take too long and your video should be ready shortly. And voila! Your mug video is now ready. That is all from me. Thank you for watching.